Shore Sports here with Nevaun Turner, man of the match performance. Tell the world, tell Jamaica about your performance today.
Well, it was expected because me a man, me have confidence in myself at all times. So me have to just believe as all time and do what me have to do and work hard. That is it.
Yes, your team playing different. I see patience in the attack. I see composure in the defense, not kicking away the ball. I see a lot of different things in this team. Tell us what you think about what changes your team made to play this way.
Well, as a unit, we sit down and talk about it and look on the games that we lost and how we lost them. And most games that we lost, we shouldn't lose them, but we have to just look on that as a learning process going forward to improve coming back to the season next year.
Tell us about your goal that you scored today.
Well, it's a good feeling. No doubt tonight when I run up the penalty, I'm sure I'm going to score it. So that's it. I have to just do what I have to do at all times.
Thank you very much, Nevaun, and I hope you continue to do great and your team will improve into the next season.
Alright, thank you. Same to you again.